Hi all, welcome to TestNG all-in-one crash course from fast and easy learning. In this video, we'll be discussing about @test annotation. So what is this @test annotation? So @test annotation identifies a method. So we basically write our test cases inside the @test method. So let's see an example for @test. Let's open up Eclipse. Let's open this SRC and then let's create one more package. Let's name the package as Annotations. And then let's create a class inside this package. So right click this package, new, other, search for TestNG, and we see TestNG class. We give next. We'll just specify the test name here as test annotation and then give finish. Now we see we have a method here called public void f. It comes by default, so let's change it to test method. Basically, it's a good practice not to start with a method name that starts with some of the annotation or assertion names. So that's why I have given test method instead of test, which might have caused a conflict otherwise. So let's see. Let's print out something here. Sys out, control space, and then this is a test method. Okay, so basically what is happening is, if you remember on our first class that we created, so in that we created a Java class and we had a method called public static void main. So that public static void main is required to run any Java class. But in TestNG, if we are writing any TestNG classes, in order to run that class, so we need to have our methods with @test annotations for the test to run. We don't have to put public static void main in a TestNG class. So now let's run this. Right click, run as TestNG test. Give OK. So this will run our test case, and we'll see that the print statement is printed here. This is a test method, and passed is one method, that is test method. And when we go to result of running test annotation, so we see this is a result that is generated by TestNG. So we see there is a method inside this. So this is the basically package name followed by class name, and this is the method name. So this is one of the test cases passed, and there is 0 failures, and summary is there is one test which passed. So we'll see one more example. So right click annotations package, new, and then go to class and test annotation by class. So just to understand, both the examples are same. We are just creating the classes in different ways. So this is we are creating class by going to new project and selecting class, and the other one is we right click the project and we select the TestNG class. So here we don't need to select public static void main. So that's why I have uncommented this. So and then when I give finish, it gives us an empty method, and we need to give public void my test, and then I will print out something here. I am in test. So now let's run this. Right click, run as. So we see there is no TestNG test provided here to run this. So how do we run this? So we need to provide @test here, and once we provide @test, it gives a red mark. We hover our mouse over there and we see that this test cannot be resolved to a type because we haven't imported anything. In the first example, when we created a TestNG class, the TestNG library was automatically imported. But in this case, we have created a Java class and we haven't imported any TestNG library. There are 4 different fixes, but let's just go to import test, the first one. So this will import from org.testng.annotations. Please make sure we are not importing anything with respect to JUnit library. So once we click this, we see it is imported and the error is gone. Now let's right click and see run as, and we are able to see TestNG test here, and we should be able to run now. So basically it's the same output. I am in test and the method name is my test, which is passed. Total test run is 1, and in the result we see there is 1 test which passed. There are 0 failures, and then the summary. So even here we can see there is 1 passed test case and there are 0 failure and 0 skipped. I think that's it with @test annotation. So thanks for watching this and have a fast and easy learning.